A very good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. Students, today we are going to discuss about verb, a new chapter from grammar. We have completed chapter number 13, the topsy turvy land of English marigold of NCRT book, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic from English grammar. I have written here English grammar, okay, of class 5, chapter number 12, verb. Now, what do you understand by the word verb? What do you understand by the word verb? Verb से आप क्या समझते हैं? So first of all, in Hindi it's called kriya. हिंदी में इसको हम क्रिया कहते हैं. And I think you are learning in Hindi grammar now. Your present chapter is running on about verb. Okay. Now what is verb? First of all, let us discuss about the definition of verb. Okay. Listen one more thing, students. Verb is the backbone of a grammar. Without verb, I don't think you'll be able to make any sentence. So a verb is most important part of a sentence because we cannot form a sentence without a verb. Without a verb, we can't form a sentence. Any sentence, कोई भी sentence बिना verb के हम form नहीं कर सकते. So a verb is the most important part of a sentence. Verb is the most important part of a sentence. So let us discuss about first what I'm doing here. Everything, all the action words are called verb. Simple definition. If you want, you can write here. First of all, let me write down the definition of verb. What is verb? A verb says. A verb says. A verb says what. A verb says what a person. A verb says what a person. What a person or thing does or what happened. A verb says what a person or thing does or what happened. Now, second definition. All action word. All action words are called all action words are called verb. All action words are called verb. Now let me write down the example here. Look at the example here, students. Look at the example. Now let me explain you in Hindi. किसी कार्य का होना या किसी कार्य का प्रकट होना उसे हम क्रिया कहते हैं. Fine. I hope it is right in Hindi. किसी कार्य का होना या किसी कार्य का प्रकट होना उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? क्रिया कहते हैं. Fine. Now let us see in English. A verb says what a person or thing does or what happens. This is your definition. You have to learn it. A verb. What does a verb says? A verb says what a person means. I am a person. What I am doing here? I am teaching you. The word teaching is a verb. I am standing here. So stand. The word standing is a verb. What about I am moving my hand? So moving is a verb. Hand is not a verb. Hand is a noun. I am moving my hand. It's a noun. I am standing here. I am breathing here. Breathing. मैं सांसें ले रहा हूँ. It's also एक कार्य हो रहा है यहाँ पे. सांस लेने का काम हो रहा है. So what it is? Breathing in, ear and out. Yes. So what we call it? It's a verb. Fine. I am looking at you. That is a verb. I am writing. It's a verb. I am smiling. It's also a verb. Yes. I am blinking my eyes. मैं अपनी पलकें झपका रहा हूँ, आंखें झपका रहा हूँ. That is also a verb. Yes. I am inhaling my saliva. जो जुबान पे अंदर मुंह में पानी आता है, saliva. उसको मैं अगर inhale कर रहा हूँ, then that is also a verb. If I am sleeping, then sleeping is also a verb. Students, got it? समझ में आ रहा है? What is a verb? A verb says what a person or thing does or what happens. Okay, the second, all action words are called verb. All action words are called verb. Both definition you can learn. No matter. दोनों definition सही है. दोनों definition में से आप कोई भी learn कर सकते हो. But write it down. This one. इसको आपको लिखना होगा. I will send you. Don't write now. A verb says what a person or thing does or what happens. Now we shall move on the examples. Now let us see some of the examples. Are you ready, students? If you are ready, we'll move on to examples. Yes, everyone, look carefully. It's very interesting. Grammar, I think it's very interesting to hear and to learn, but only when you understand, because all the examples are around us. Grammar में जो भी examples होते हैं वो हमारे आसपास के ही होते हैं. So it is very easy to understand, and if we concentrate, then only. But if you are eating and sleeping there at home, then how it's possible that you could learn something? Okay, so students, look here. Once again, I'm repeating here. We are on chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is verb. So what is verb? A verb says what a person or thing does or what happens. This is the first example. Second example is that, second definition is that all action words are called verb. Okay, now let us move on to some of the examples. Now let us move on to some of the examples. Students, look carefully. So let me write down some of the examples here from your book, or no problem. Not it might not be from your book also. We can use any example. So yes. Now look at some of the example. Ram is ill. First, second example. Look at the second example. We can see Radha has a doll. Now look at the third example. The child plays all day. Look at the fourth example, students. You can use any. Sheila makes cartoons. Now look at the examples here. Or shall I write one more? Okay, one more. Number 4. The man killed a snake. The diamond is shining. Students, look at the board. Ram is ill. Radha has a doll. The child plays a doll. Sheila makes cartoons. The man killed a snake. The diamond is shining. Okay. Now look at this example, students. Look at the examples given here. Now let me underline the verb here. Here, is the verb here. Has is the verb here. Plays is the verb here. Max is the verb here. Here, killed is the verb here. And what about here? Shining. Shining. Okay. Fine. Students, look at the board. All these are examples of verb. The thing which I have underlined, it's a verb. Means simple. If we, after the definition के बाद अगर आपको कोई example लिखना है, so you can write here in such a way. Definition. Just after the definition, write down here like read, sleep, jump, go, come, etc. There are many more action words. So look at the example here. Look, Ram is ill. What work is done here? Nothing. It's a state. ये क्या है? State. Think of state. यहाँ पे कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन काम होने की प्रक्रिया हो रही है. Yes. Now Radha has a doll. It's also a state. It's not a work. No work is done here. Now the child plays all day. What action is done by the subject here? सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कौन सा कार्य हो रहा है? खेलने का कार्य हो रहा है. So what it is? Play is a verb here. Now look here. Sheila makes cartoon. What is the work done by Sheila? What is the action? What action is being done by Sheila? Sheila सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कौन सा एक्शन हो रहा है, बनाने का, कार्टून्स बनाने का कार्य हो रहा है, तो व्हाट इट इज अ verb. Next, the man killed a snake. Okay, what action is being done by the man? Man के द्वारा कौन सा काम हो रहा है, मारने का काम हो रहा है, स्नेक को मारने का, तो कार्य क्या हो रहा है, एक्शन क्या हो रही है, what is the action word here? Killed is the action word here. Here the diamond, look here, spelling mistake, diamond, the diamond is shining. Now here what is, it's an action, it's not an action, ये कार्य हो नहीं रहा है, कोई कार्य प्रकट हो रहा है, साइन हो रहा है, it's a state of being, state of being. Okay, it's not a work here, यहाँ पे कोई कार्य नहीं हो रहा है, कार्य प्रकट हो रहा है. फाइन, किसी कार्य को होना या किसी कार्य का प्रकट होना, यहाँ पे प्रकट हो रहा है बेटा, यहाँ पे कोई कार्य हो नहीं रहा है लेकिन कोई कार्य प्रकट हो रही है, साइन हो रहा है, चमकने का काम हो रहा है. फाइन, so what it is, it is a verb. Shining is a verb here. I hope it is clear. Show me your thumb, students, if it is clear. Clear. Now we shall discuss. Yes, clear. Okay, one more, one girl is asking a question, let us listen to her question. Yes.
Excuse me, sir, I'm Arya Tripathi. Sir,
Yes,
can you
Arya, ask your
explain
question.
example 2 once again?
Example number 2, Radha has a doll. Radha
Yes.
has a doll here.
How
Has is a verb here. Sorry?
Yes, I know, but how?
Yeah, how? We'll come to know. You will come to know in our, when we come to types of verb. When we come to types of verb. Here all the verbs are main verb. यहाँ पे जो भी verb है वो सारे main verb है. And ये कैसे? We will come to the example. When we come to the examples of types of verb, helping verb and main verb, then you will come to know that this is a verb. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
just after this. Okay, fine. Now let us see on the next one. Not only this, she was asking, I can explain now also, but यहाँ उसके पास डोल होने का कार्य हो रहा है, काम क्या हो रहा है, उसके पास होने का काम हो रहा है, आर्या. So we can say, but if I start in such a way, fine, I hope you understand what is verb. Verb clear हो गया होगा. Yes, everyone, verb is clear. A verb says what a person or thing does, or all action words are called verb. Now let us come to the types of verb. Types of verb. Students, look here. Types of verb. Now, how many types of verbs are there? There are 2 types of verbs. Students, look at the board. There are 2 types of verb. Okay. Now, the first one is called, it's a helping verb. It's a helping verb or the linking verb or auxiliary verb, we can say. There are, or modal verbs. इसके कई नाम हैं. Helping verb, auxiliary verbs, or you can say as a linking verb. Look here, linking verb. Okay, or you can say as a modals verb, or you can say as a modals. Okay, so all the things are same. ये सारे नाम एक ही हैं. So let us discuss here on helping verb, and the second one is the main verb, and the second one is the main verb. Clear? How many types of verbs are there? Verb are of 2 types. That is helping verb and main verb. Clear? Everyone? Clear? Everyone? Show me your thumb. Clear? What I have written? Yes. Ask your question.
Sir, in book there isn't written kinds of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb, but you have written helping verb, auxiliary verb, linking verb and modals.
No, these all are one name only. ये सारे एक ही नाम हैं.
Yes, I know,
Okay.
but
All these are same.
yes,
Yeah.
I know, but
Book, it
in
is
book
written
there,
kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive. We will come to transitive and intransitive. Let me complete. अगर मैं complete करता हूँ उसके बाद question रहता है, then you can ask. First, okay. You have seen the example. You have known the definitions. Okay. Now let me complete it. Okay. Let me complete it. Then only if it is lacking, अगर कुछ छूटता है तो उस समय आप पूछ लेना. Fine. Okay.
okay.
In mid of the class, if I keep on unmuting, the class will be disturbed. Fine. So listen now. Thank you. Mute it now. Fine. Now look here. Types of verb. Verb are of 2 types. That is, one is helping verb and the other one is the main verb. Okay. Fine. Now let us discuss about what is helping verb and example of helping verb. Now you will get your answer. One girl, yes, she was asking a question. How has is a helping verb? Okay. When you come to the examples, when you come to know the examples of helping verb or linking verb, then it will be clear that how has is a verb. Yes. If we translate that sentence that Radha has a doll, यानी राधा के पास एक डोल है, तो काम क्या हो रहा है, उसके पास होने का कार्य हो रहा है. आई हैव अ कार, मेरे पास कार होने का एक कार्य हो रहा है. यस. So in such a way, but when we come to example, you will know. Look at the example first. Now look at the board, students. Types of verb. Verb are of two types, that is helping verb and main verb. Now look carefully. Fine. Now let us come to what is helping verb. Number A, what is helping verb? What is helping verb? Oh, before that, before helping verb, पहले तो main verb देख लेते हैं. Let us see the first. First, let us see helping verb. Or, okay, come on. Let us see first main verb. Not helping verb, but main verb. Look at first main verb. What is main verb? Verb are of two types, students. Once again, I am repeating. Verb are of two types. Verb are of two types. That is number A, it is main verb, and number B, it is helping verb. It is helping verb. Okay. In short, we can write MV. MV is for main verb, and what? HV is help verb. MV किस लिए है? Main verb के लिए, और HEV किसके लिए? Helping verb के लिए है. Now students, look at what is main verb. Let us discuss about number E. First one, it is what is main verb. Definition आपने पढ़ लिया. You have read the definition that what is verb. Now let us see what is a main verb. The verb used alone, the verb used alone or together, look carefully, the verb used alone or together with helping verb, is called main verb. Now read the definition 2-3 times. 2-3 बार definition को पढ़िए, आपको समझ में आएगा. जो क्रिया अकेला आता है या सहायक क्रिया के साथ आता है, उसे हम मेन क्रिया यानी प्रधान क्रिया मेन वर्ब कहते हैं. Now look here, main verb. The verb used alone, जिसका प्रयोग अकेला होता है या helping verb के साथ होता है, उसे हम main verb कहते हैं. So what is main verb? Now let us see the example now. First of all, look at the example here, students. That yeah, look at example like read, sleep, jump, go, dance, etc. All these are what? Helping verb. All these are what? All these are main verb. Sorry, students. Once again, look here. Main verb are of two types. They are main verb and helping verb. Now, what is main verb? The verb used alone or together with helping verb is called main verb. Now, let us see some example with in sentences. Now, look some example in sentences. Now, look here. I am playing. Now, if I write here I am playing, and if I underline here am, then am is a verb. Now, how it is a verb? It's a verb. ये भी verb है, and this is also a verb. Playing is also a verb. Now, which verb is playing? Playing कौन सा है? ये main verb है. It is a main verb and it is used along with किसके साथ use हुआ है? ये helping verb के साथ use हुआ है. So, helping verb के साथ अगर use हो रहा है, if the main verb is used together with helping verb, then this is the helping verb and this is your main verb. Now look here. Now look at another example. I am a boy. Now in this sentence, look here, two sentences. Now what is your verb here? Your verb is am. यहाँ पे am आपका verb है. Now which verb? ये कौन सा verb है? In absence. यहाँ पे कोई main verb नहीं है. There is no main verb in this sentence. So this will act as a main verb. ये in absence of. यहाँ पे ध्यान से सुनिएगा what I am saying. In absence of main verb, helping verb act as a main verb. Clear? In absence of main verb, helping verb act as a main verb. अगर मेन वर्ब वाक्य में नहीं है, प्रधान क्रिया अगर नहीं है सेंटेंस में, तो आपकी सहायक क्रिया जो है वो प्रधान क्रिया का काम करती है. क्लियर एवरीवन? शो मी योर थंब स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट, नाउ लेट अस सी सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. सो इससे ये पता चल जा रहा है कि व्हाट इज मेन वर्ब. लुक हियर, मेन वर्ब होता क्या है? द वर्ब यूज्ड अलोन. यहाँ पे अकेला यूज हुआ है. लुक हियर, द वर्ब यूज्ड अलोन. In the second sentence, the verb here is it is used alone or together with helping verb. यहाँ पे देखिए फिर से. In the second sentence, here the verb is used alone. यहाँ पे verb अकेला इस्तेमाल हुआ है. Means the verb used alone अकेला हुआ है, या along with helping verb, या helping verb के साथ यहाँ पे हुआ है. Then that is called what? Main verb. कहने का मतलब क्या है बेटा? फिर से देख लो. एक ऐसी क्रिया जो अकेला इस्तेमाल किया गया हो या उस सहायक क्रिया के साथ इस्तेमाल किया गया, उससे हम प्रधान क्रिया कहते हैं. नाउ लुक हियर, अगर एग्जांपल में हम आएंगे. नाउ लेट अस सी वन मोर. लेट अस राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन इट विल बी क्लियर. नाउ लेट मी इरेज दिस. मैं इरेज कर रहा हूं स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लेट मी राइट डाउन. Now let me write down the next one. What is helping verb? What is helping verb? Look here students, look carefully. A helping verb is one which helps the main verb, to form voice, mood or tense. Now look at the definition. Look at the definitions here. What is main verb? ये अकेला इस्तेमाल होता है या हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ आता है? अकेला इस्तेमाल होता है और हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ आता है, तो वो मेन वर्ब है. नाउ व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब? हेल्पिंग वर्ब वो क्रिया होती है जो मेन क्रिया यानी कि प्रधान मेन वर्ब की हेल्प करती है टेंस बनाने में, टेंस बनाने में, वॉइस मोड बनाने में. ठीक है, टेंस. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. लुक एट द एग्जांपल नाउ. What are the example of auxiliary verbs? यहाँ मैंने इसको क्या कहा था? हेल्पिंग वर्ब को लिंकिंग वर्ब, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, मॉडल वर्ब, या लिंकिंग वर्ब, all. Yes. Now look here. Look at the example here. Is, am, are, was, were, has, shall, will, has, have, can, could, may, might. There are many more. Or for example, should, would, must, ought, dare. Example. There are lots of examples. Now I hope you have got an answer that what is helping verb and what is main verb. Now look here. Look at this example once again students. ध्यान से देखिएगा. Look at the examples carefully. Look at the definition. What is main verb? The verb used alone or together with helping verb is called main verb. मेन वर्ब क्या होता है? वो या तो अकेला आएगा या हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ आएगा. लेकिन हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होता है? वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमेशा मेन वर्ब की हेल्प करते हुए दिखेगा सेंटेंस में. अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज वन व्हिच helps the main verb to form voice tense or mode. Now we will look at some example. अब हम कुछ examples की तरफ देखेंगे. Before that, look at this definition and example. If it is clear, then we will move much forward. हम आगे देखेंगे इसके बाद. If it is clear here, everyone? Clear? One girl, she was asking a question where she is. Arya, clear? Why, has, have, had, can, could, ये सब do, did, ये सारे आपके हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं. पर आपको ये चेक करना है, ये तो हमें याद करना होगा. वी हैव टू लर्न इट. वी हैव टू लर्न इट कि वर्ब होते क्या है. डेफिनेशन फर्स्ट मीन्स एक्शन वर्ड होगा तो वो आपका क्या होगा? अ वर्ब कन्वे द एक्शन ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट. वर्ब क्या होता है? किसी सब्जेक्ट का एक्शन कन्वे करता है. लुक हियर वंस अगेन. A verb always convey the action of a subject or a state of being. सिंपल. कोई कार्य अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है, हम सो रहे हैं, कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग में हम अंदर ही अंदर काम कर रहे हैं, सांस लेने का काम कर रहे हैं. वी आर ड्रीमिंग व्हाइल वी आर स्लीपिंग, देन दैट इज आल्सो अ वर्ब. वहां पे कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है, वहां कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम ड्रीमिंग, आई एम स्लीपिंग एंड आई एम ड्रीमिंग. Then dreaming, the word dreaming is also a verb because वहां पे सपने देखने का काम हो रहा है. Okay, now we will try to understand. आपके भी क्वेश्चन पे आएंगे. आपने ट्रांसिटिव इंट्रांसिटिव कहा, वो भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. लेट अस गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. अगर इफ आई स्टार्ट टीचिंग यू फ्रॉम द बुक, देन बहुत सारी चीजें छूट जाएंगी. ओके, if I teach you from your book, then I think we may miss many things. Fine, all these things are not written in your book. Clear? Clear? Show me your thumbs. Fine, thank you. Now look here once again. What is main verb? Main verb always come alone. Main verb हमेशा अकेला आता है. First, or together with helping verb. Or together with helping verb. प्रधान क्रिया हमेशा अकेला आता है या सहायक क्रिया के साथ आता है. फाइन, उसे हम मेन क्रिया कहते हैं, यानी मेन वर्ब कहते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब? हेल्पिंग वर्ब को हम हमेशा देखेंगे कि वो मेन वर्ब से पहले आता है और उसकी हेल्प करता है. मींस अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज वन व्हिच हेल्प्स द मेन वर्ब टू फॉर्म अ टेंस. नाउ लेट अस कम टू सम एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल्स पे आएंगे, देखेंगे आप क्या सोचते हो, क्या समझा आपने, व्हाट डू यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल्स, सम रिटन एग्जांपल्स. Now we will do some questions then to understand what is verb, main verb. Three things we are going to do in this class work. अब हम तीन चीज करने जा रहे हैं. Listen carefully, students, बच्चों, तीन चीज करने जा रहे हैं. पहले तो verb पहचानेंगे. Identify verb. Identify verb. सबसे पहले तो हम verb पहचानेंगे. Second चीज what we are going to do? The second one is that we are going to differentiate it into MV and HV. देखो, फर्स्ट थिंग वी विल आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज वर्ब. पहला हम पहचानेंगे कि वर्ब क्या है. उसमें अब हम ये पहचानेंगे कि वो वर्ब मेन वर्ब है या हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू थ्री थिंग्स. रेडी स्टूडेंट्स? एवरीवन, आर यू रेडी? Ready now? Okay, fine. Now look at some of the question. Let me write down the question first. Now let me write down this question first. Question number one. Look here. Question number one. I read. Question number two. She reads. Question number three. He is playing. Number four. I have eaten. Look at question number five. You can go. You can go. Look at question number 6. They were poor. Look at question number 7. Question number 7. Who are you? Question number 8. She should come. She should come. Yes. Question number 9. I can read. Number 10. They did it. Now look at the question here. Look at everyone. Look at the questions here, students. Now, first of all, let us try to identify what is verb here. Okay. Now I'll start from. Let me start from some students. Anushka Yadav, the first students who have joined the class is Anushka Yadav. Now tell me in the first question, which one is verb here? Verb क्या है इसमें? I read.
Verb read.
Very good. Verb is read. Now tell me, it is a main verb or helping verb?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा verb है ये? Main verb है या helping verb है? Read.
Sir,
Yes.
main verb.
Sorry.
सर इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब दोनों है.
ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब दोनों है? नो, इट इज ओनली अ मेन वर्ब. ये क्या है? मेन वर्ब. अब गो बैक टू द डेफिनेशन नाउ स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. एक बच्ची ने कहा ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब दोनों है, बट नाउ कम बैक टू द डेफिनेशन. द वर्ब व्हिच कम्स अलोन इज द मेन वर्ब. एक ऐसा वर्ब जो अकेला आता है वो मेन वर्ब होता है. यहाँ पे अकेला था ये, इट वाज अलोन, सो इट इज अ मेन वर्ब. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? शो मी योर थंब. यहाँ पे ये अकेला था इसलिए ये मेन वर्ब है. Now let us come back to the next question. Next Ayush Kumar. Now you help me out. Ayush Kumar Singh. She reads. Ayush Kumar, what is verb in this sentence? She reads. He is not responding. Shivangi, now you help me. Shivangi Yadav.
Yes,
She reads. Yes. What is
Sir,
verb here?
reads.
Okay. Which verb is this? Identify,
Main
differentiate करिए. Main verb. Very good. Okay, mute it. Now let me ask you someone else. Yeah, now Arya, come back to the class. Now look at the board.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me in the third one. He is playing. What is verb here?
Playing is main verb and is a helping verb.
Okay, playing is main verb and is helping verb. Okay, fine. This is also verb and this is also verb. Is क्या है आपका? यहाँ पे अकेला नहीं है. Now this is not alone here. Here verb, this verb is not alone. Yes, ये अकेला नहीं है. There are two verbs in this sentence. So is your helping verb, and what about
And
playing? Playing is your main verb. Now one more question. Look at question number 6. Look at question number 6. They were poor. What is verb in this sentence?
Were. They were poor.
Where?
Were.
They were poor.
Yes.
Where? Okay. Where is where? Okay. What type of verb it is? It is a main verb or
is-
helping verb?
Helping verb.
No, it is a main verb. अब यहाँ पे आप यही चीज क्लियर करना था मुझे. Yes, what I want to clear here, this is not a helping verb because it is alone. ये अकेला आया हुआ है. What is the definition? The definition is that the verb which is used alone. Yes, a verb. Don't
Ram
go
is
back to the
is.
example. Sorry.
Is and you have underlined is and said that it is helping verb.
No, that was an example only. No, now come back. What I'm saying. Don't go to that one. That Ram is ill. I did not say. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि वो helping verb है. उस समय तो आपको पता नहीं था कि helping verb क्या है. Helping verb तो बाद में पता चला ना हमें. वहां तो Ram is ill. I have written in my example that Ram is ill. I have written it. मैंने लिखा है Ram is ill. and I have underlined that this is verb. मैंने ये कहा था ये verb है, मैंने ये नहीं कहा था it's an helping verb. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
मैंने ये underline किया था. I have underlined on the board that this is what verb. Helping verb and main verb we have discussed just now. अब discuss कर रहे हैं हम कि which one is main verb, which is helping verb. Now come here. What I'm saying, the definition of main verb, it is that verb used alone, verb used alone or together. मैंने दोनों लिखा हुआ है. I've written what. Now look at the definition. जो verb alone अकेला use हुआ है, then here अकेला है. There is only one verb. There is only one verb, no? There is only
Yes.
one verb, so it is.
Yes.
It has been used alone. Here the verb has been used alone. यहाँ पे verb अकेला इस्तेमाल हुआ है. So this is the example of helping verb, but here it is working as a main verb. यहाँ पे ये main verb का काम कर रहा है. Clear now? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir. Clear.
Look again. Main verb. What is main verb? When main verb used alone, अकेला or together. अगर देखो यहाँ पे come to this above example. Now mute it. Mute it. Now look here. Students, look carefully what I have said you. The verb used alone here. यहाँ पे verb अकेला इस्तेमाल हुआ है. We have used the verb here alone. The verb is only one verb is there in the sentence. Listen one more thing, students. A sentence may consist more than one verb. एक sentence में एक से अधिक verb हो सकता है. Now look here. You can go. Can is verb. There are two verbs. Now look here in this sentence. यहाँ पे देखिए. You can go. What is you? You is pronoun. What is can? Can is verb. What is go? Go is verb. Okay. Now there are two verbs. There are two verbs. So no, both they are not main verb. यहाँ पे दोनों main verb नहीं है. Can, what it is can is your helping verb, and what is go is your main verb. Means what I'm saying, verb used alone, the verb which is used alone is the call helping verb, or the verb which is used together with helping verb के साथ भी अगर verb आ रहा है तो वो भी आपका main verb है, और यहाँ पे ये आपका helping verb हो जाएगा. So what is helping verb? Helping verb is one which always help the main verb. Helping verb वो होता है जो main verb की help करता है tense form करने में. Clear? Show me your thumb, students. Now this side clear up to 6. It is clear. Now here I have eaten. What is have here? Have is also verb. Is also verb. Now what type of verb is have? Have क्या है? हमने example में देखा था. Has, have, had. All these are example of helping verb. So have is your helping verb, and what is eat? Eat is your main verb. Now come here. Who are you? Who are you? What is who? Who are you? Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun है यहाँ पे who. What is you? It's a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun second person. Now what is are? Are is a verb, and which verb it is? It is a main verb. Very good. It's a main verb. Yes. यहाँ पे भी ये अकेला इस्तेमाल हुआ है. इसके साथ कोई अब यहाँ पे look at the one more example. Look here. Who are you? Look here. They are playing. They are playing. Now look here. This is are. This is are. Are यहाँ पे भी यूज हुआ है. What is are here? अब यहाँ पे यही are helping verb का काम कर रहा है. It's working as a helping verb here. Clear? Show me your thumb. Clear? And here there is no other verb. So here it is alone. यहाँ पे verb अकेला है. So it's what it is? It is a main verb here. यहाँ पे ये main verb का काम कर रहा है. Clear? Yes. Now look here. You should come. What is should? Should is helping verb, and what is come? Come again here it is main verb. तो main verb के साथ यहाँ पे अगर कोई verb आ रहा है तो वो आपका helping verb होगा. अगर वही helping verb अकेला यूज होता है तो वो main verb का काम करता है. In absence of main verb, helping verb act as a main verb. Helping main verb के absence पे main verb अगर नहीं है तो helping verb जो है main verb का काम करता है. Yes? Okay. Now one more thing I would like to